friends, let's sing and play. Learn our letters every day. From A to Z, it's fun and bright. Say the sounds and get them right. A is for apple. 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 B is for butterfly. 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 C is for car. 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 D is for dolphin. Dolphin. E is for egg. 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 F is for frog. 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 G is for giraffe. Giraffe. H is for horse. Horse. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. J is for jelly. Jelly. K is for kite. Kite. L is for lamp. Lamp. M is for moon. Moon. N is for needle. Needle. O is for orange. Orange. P is for parrot. Parrot. Q is for quail. Quail. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. S is for spider. Spider. T is for tiger. Tiger. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. V is for van. Van. U is for whale. Whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yak. Yak. Z is for zipper. Zipper. Now we've sung from A to Z. Phonics fun for you and me. Jump and dance, shout hooray. We learned ourselves the phonics way. Now we've sung from A to Z. Phonics fun for you and me. Jump and dance, shout hooray. We learned our sound the phonics way.
Sing with Baby Melon, hip hip hooray!
Now sing with me, come on, let's go. Letters are fun and help us grow. From A to Z, come sing along. Let's learn the alphabet in this song. A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for ball, bounce it in the chapel. C is for cat, soft and sweet. D is for drum with a marching beat. E is for elephant, big and bold. F is for fish in water cold. G is for goat with a funny bleat. H is for hat that you wear on the street. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jelly, a tasty delight. K is for kite flying in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey swinging high. N is for nest up in the sky. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for penguin walling around. Now sing with me, come on, let's go. Letters are fun and help us grow. From A to Z, come sing along. Let's learn the alphabet in this song. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train, chugging at night. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van on the highway lane. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, play a tune too. Y is for yo-yo, spinning free. Z is for zebra, black and white, you see. Now you know your ABCs. Sing it again with fun and glee. From A to Z, you did just fine. Learning letters one at a time.
Sing with Baby Melon, hip hip hooray!